Everybody, John Steyer Flooring, welcome back. And we're going to title this video Cutting Doors with the Pros. So we're all about that friction-free experience with our projects. And so like most jobs, something's always going to come up that wasn't in the initial bid or the estimate, or maybe that wasn't discussed about prior to starting the project. Well, here we've got our carpet installed and all the doors are now too tight. And we just take it upon ourselves to cut the doors because they're gonna have to be cut. So I know a lot of other flooring companies out there, they're gonna say our installers do not cut doors. So you, the homeowner, now have to find somebody to cut your doors. So we don't want that, friction free. So let me just show you what I got going here. All right, so we got sawhorses on the door. I've got this little jig that I made that I can run my circular saw down, and that blade runs right there, guide right there. So anybody watching this, steal my idea. I stole it off YouTube. All right, so something that happened with this door, because we had to cut so much off of it, there's only so much of this at the bottom of the door before it's a hollow core door, but it's no big deal. I can trim this up in a table saw, and we just slide that in there and glue it in. Boom! Doors are hung and looking good.